swiftly on.
Welcome back to another tutorial, and this time we are looking at some more origami. So we're going to have a look at how we turn a piece of regular paper into one of these awesome aeroplanes, or a lot of people like to call them bats because they look quite bat-like. So if you're interested in finding out how to create one of these, stick around. Let's get crafting. Okay, so let's get started on making this plane slash bat. So the first thing you need to do, so the first step is probably the hardest, I would say. So the first step is to fold between the two corners on either side. Now, to help you with this, what I would do is I would get something long and straight, like a ruler. I have a very long ruler here, which is going to be helpful. A normal ruler will not be long enough. And draw a line from one corner to the other, because I think that will help you line it up when you were going to fold it, and also from corner to corner the other way as well. So we're also going to fold that in a moment. So I would do that just to help you, because even I find it rather tricky actually folding all the way across a piece like that. So I'm going to flip it over now, and I'm going to fold across, hopefully across that line. That's really not easy, but the better this fold is, the better your bird or plane or bat or whatever it is you want to call it will turn out. So that's going to be my first fold across there, and I'm going to open it out and then fold across the other side, doing exactly the same. As I say, this is definitely the hardest part of the whole tutorial. Fold across there, and there we go. So we've got our two folds now. So what you're going to do now is you're going to flip it over, and you're going to fold this side to this side, like so. Make sure you line up the corners. Corners, and then flatten it out like that. Open it up, turn it back over, and then you should be able to push that and it should start to lift up like that. The reason we want that is because what we're going to do next is we're going to sort of pinch these bits here together, and it should naturally really nicely fold like that where we folded across. And this is where you'll see how nice and neat your folds have been. So I'll do that one more time. So from there you need to push these two bits in, pinch them, and then put it on its side and just flatten it out nicely like so. And you should have a piece that looks like that. Okay, so now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to hold it flat like that, and we're going to take just one piece, not the back piece, across, and we're going to lay it flat like that. Then we're going to take this corner and line it up with the top. So pull that bit up onto the top like that, and flatten that piece down. And then we take this corner here and pull it back across where it was, like so. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So we're going to take the other side, push it across, take this corner to here, like so, flatten it, and then we take this corner here, fold that back over like that. So you should now have something that looks a little bit like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the tip to the point, and we're going to fold it back to the middle of here. So you're going to take all of it, and this bit you need to try and be quite careful with it, and you're going to fold all of it like that. And it should fold about where the edges meet, and you need to try and get this bit as sort of close to the centre as possible, because it's going to make it work a lot better if you can get it right to the centre like that. Then your next step is going to be folding this part back over. So we're going to go like that and fold it back like that. Again, trying to keep this fold as straight as possible. So you should end up with something looking a little bit like that now. Okay, now we've got it looking like that. What we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and we're going to fold it in half. Now there's a couple of different ways you can do this. I'm going to do it using a ruler, so I want to try and make it straight. So I'm going to line my ruler up with the tip of my plane like that, and I'm going to push that all the way over the top and line up my wings so that they are as close to perfectly together as possible, like that. And then I'm going to flatten that piece out. This is a good time to make sure that every fold you've done is nice and flat, like that. So you should now have something that looks a little bit like that. And now we're going to do our fold to create the wing. And the way we do that is, I'm going to use a ruler again here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a ruler across a little small amount like that, because that's going to be the piece that I will hold on to. And I'm going to fold, so I'm pushing down really hard on the ruler like that. I'm going to fold it over, and I'll get rid of the ruler and flatten out my fold. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to try and make these the same size. So I'm not going to use my ruler for this one. I'm going to line up the wings like that. And then I'm going to flatten it out, and it should, because I've lined up the wings, be pretty equal. So you should end up with something like that. Okay, so our next step is to fold this part of the wing. So we're aiming to fold, I'll draw you a line so you can see, across there like that. So use your ruler again. Your ruler does help. Right across there, and then go like that, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. So we're folding across like that, aiming to get it as nice and straight as possible to that corner. Flatten them both off, and then flip it over. And we have what we were aiming for. And that is our plane / bat / bird finished and ready to fly. Finished with our origami for today. Hopefully you've been able to create something like this, and you have yourself a bat or a plane or whatever it is you decide to call it, and hopefully also it flies. That one not very well, that one much better. So until next time, keep on crafting.